The OnePlus 13T is officially expected to launch in late April 2025, and several reliable leaks have now given us a clear picture of what to expect. A hands-on video shared by TechInfo on X shows the device from multiple angles, confirming a major shift in design. The phone features a square-shaped rear camera module instead of the circular layout seen in previous OnePlus models. The video also highlights a perfectly balanced 50-50 weight distribution, demonstrated by the phone being rotated on a single fingertip. The design of the OnePlus 13T includes a 6.32-inch display with minimal bezels on the top, sides, and bottom, along with a centered punch hole for the selfie camera. The finish is matte, available in 3 colors: grayish-blue, pink, and black, giving the device a clean, premium appearance. According to a post on Weibo by Leaker Digital Chat Station, the OnePlus 13T will be available in 3 color options: Cloud Ink Black, Morning Mist Gray, and Heartbeat Pink. The leaked hands-on video features the Morning Mist Gray variant, while a separate image showcases the Cloud Ink Black version. The overall look closely resembles the Oppo Reno 13, which is understandable given that OnePlus, Oppo, Realme, and Vivo are all part of BBK Electronics, often sharing design elements across brands. Internally, the OnePlus 13T is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset, paired with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. These high-end specifications have pushed the device to cross a 3 million score on the Antutu benchmark, showcasing its performance capabilities. It's designed to handle intensive gaming tasks, including emulated titles like GTA 5, without performance drops. The device is also expected to include a 6,010 mAh battery, built with a next-generation ultra-slim silicon nano battery, and it has been certified to support 80-watt wired fast charging. Camera specifications include a 50-megapixel Sony LYT main sensor and a 50-megapixel 2x telephoto lens. An ultra-wide sensor may also be part of the setup, although that detail hasn't been fully confirmed. OnePlus has also introduced a redesigned shortcut key that replaces the traditional alert slider. This new customizable button will allow users to switch between modes like silent, vibrate, and ring, and can be configured for additional actions, including a game camera function, designed to take instant screenshots during gameplay. This feature is expected to work across all mobile games and adds practical utility to the new button. The OnePlus 13T is set to launch at 14:30 on April 24, 2025, during its official product launch event. The expected price range is between $500 to $600, similar to the Oppo Reno 13.